Namaste Queens and welcome back to my channel. I'm Shambhavi Krishna and in today's video I'm going to be recreating the Charlotte Tilbury's Indian bridal makeup look using all the products under rupees 500. So the main motto of today's video is to show you guys how you can create any makeup look using the products that you own. So you don't have to go and buy the exact same products to achieve the exact same look. So that is the entire motto of this video. I am in no which way saying that these products are pretty much the dupe of Charlotte Tilbury, or I'm not comparing Charlotte Tilbury to any of these makeup products. The brand Charlotte Tilbury is definitely on the very expensive side. I know there are some people who don't mind about the packaging or how a particular product feels, but I also know that there are a sum total of people who loves luxury products or who loves luxury makeup, and having that like that feel, that experience of having luxury products is entirely different. So again, no, I'm not comparing these products to Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just showing you guys how you can achieve the same look or the similar look using the products that you have, and I hope I have done a good job in recreating the similar look of Charlotte Tilbury. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this look. And also guys, if you like my video, my content, then definitely go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And now without further ado, let's get started. So starting off with the makeup tutorial. Now in the video they have first used the Charlotte Tilbury's magic serum as well as the magic cream. So the purpose of magic serum is to add that nice luminous glow to the skin, and the magic cream like hydrates the skin, plumps your skin, and also gives a nice like smooth finish for your foundation, so the foundation glides on easily. So to prep my face, I'm first going to use the Bioderma Autoderm Intensive Balm. Now you can use any thick moisturizer that suits your skin type. Now my skin type is dry and I have sensitive skin, and this works out really well. And the consistency of this particular moisturizer is thick, as well as it hydrates your skin and also gives a nice plump to your skin. So that's why I absolutely love using this product. This particular moisturizer has made my skin look very dewy, and also it has that little bit of a tackiness, so the foundation sticks on to the base really well. The moisturizer itself has made my skin really nice and plump, but to add a little bit of that glowy dewiness, I'm just going to take Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator Makeup Base in Golden Pink number 01. So this particular makeup base illuminator has made my skin really nice and dewy. I really love this product so much, and if you want that nice glow onto your face, you can definitely try this one. So with that, the prepping is done, and next let's move on to the foundation. The reviews of Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Foundation. I've already done a complete review video on this particular foundation. If you are interested, definitely go and check that out. So since we are going for affordable option, I have two foundations. The first one is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation, and this is for normal to oily skin, and I'm in the shade number 332 Golden Caramel. And then I also have the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation, and this is in the shade N260 Neutral Honey. Now this particular shade is a little lighter for me, but I can definitely make do with both of them. When it comes to affordable foundations, I still think there is a long way to go. I think these are the only two foundations which are available in the Indian market, which have like really good coverage and also performs great and also last pretty good throughout the day. I definitely love both the formulas, but today I'm going to be using the Lakme 9 to 5 foundation. So to blend the foundation in, I'm going to be using the Morphe G6 foundation brush, and I'm just going to buff and blend the foundation into my skin. I'm going to take a little more and apply this on my neck, so everything looks even toned. And next I'm going to take a sponge and I'm just going to blend everything. This foundation is definitely given a medium coverage. It's not as full coverage as the Charlotte Tilbury, but I think we can definitely make do with it. It still looks like skin. So next I'm going to take the Inside Professional Makeup Conceal Correct Contour Palette in the shade number 06. It's a very nice like a orange tone shade, and I'm going to take the Morphe M335 brush and just apply this on the areas where I have pigmentation. I should have done this step for application of foundation. I totally forgot. And I'm also going to apply it on the areas where I have some marks. So the color corrector has done a good job in cancelling all of the darkness and making my skin more even. So next I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer to highlight the highest points of my face and to brighten those areas. So before you go ahead and blend the concealer, allow it to stay for at least like 1 to 2 minutes, so it gets a little more thicker and more creamier, so that it adds even more coverage. So it's been a minute, and again I'm going to take the same brush and just blend out the concealer first. Make sure you're just buffing your brush and not dragging it. Next, I'm going to take a beauty sponge to make sure that there's no harsh brush strokes. So next, to set the concealer in place, they're using the infamous Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Powder. To set my concealer in place, I'm going to be taking my absolutely favorite Fit Me powder. This is a compact powder. It's such an old one and I have used this powder a lot. I absolutely love the finish that it gives. This particular compact sets the concealer really well without making it too matte. So that's how my skin, my base makeup is looking. I absolutely love how it looks. Now let's move on to my eyebrows. For that, I'll be taking the Miss Claire Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil, and this is in the shade number 02 Dark Brown. It also comes with a spoolie, and I'm just going to fill in my sparse areas and define my brows. So that's my eyebrows done, and next let's move on to my eye makeup. Start off with eye makeup. They have applied a metallic, almost like a bronzy base, like eyeshadow base, but I really don't have that, and I don't have anything which is remotely similar to that in my collection. So that's why I'll first be using a liquid eyeshadow. This is from Nicka K. It's their Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Earthly Bronze. I'm just going to apply this as a base. So I'm just going to blend this in with the help of a brush. So next I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette, and this is in the shade Pumpkin Pie. Now again, when I saw from the video, the shades in here look like little similar to the shades in that palette. So first I'm going to take this shade and use it in my crease and outer corners, and then to deepen I'm just going to use this brown shade. I'm just going to apply that on my outer V to deepen my crease a little more, and also bring it all the way on my lash line like that. So I'm going to take one more palette, which is Berry Bad. So I'm going to take these two shades, this and this particular shade, and mix it together and apply on my eyes to achieve the similar look. Okay, I'm going to take the same mixture underneath my eye, like on my lower lash line as well. I'm just going to go back with the same shade, the brown shade, and I'm going to apply that on my outer corners. So next, to do the infamous Charlotte Tilbury's Feline Flick, I'm going to be taking the Swiss Beauty Jet Black Bold Felt Tip Eyeliner. And then I'm going to be taking the Sugar Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in number 1 Back to Black. I'm just going to apply this on my lower lash line. So next I'm just going to curl my lashes. So for my mascara, I'll be using my current favorite Mars mascara. This is really nice. Since this is a full glam makeup look, they've also added some lashes, guys. So I did add some fake lashes. These are Kingdom of Lashes in Twinkle, and that's how my eyes look like. So that completes my eye makeup look. And in the video they're applying some bronzer next, so I'm going to be taking the Sugar Contour de Force mini bronzer in 02 Woody Wonder. I just love nose contouring, and that's why I am doing it. You can totally skip if you don't want to. Guys, so next in the video they use some highlighter. Again, I don't have anything which looks as skin-like as the Charlotte Tilbury one, but I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Strobing Stick, and this is in the shade Nude. It just gives such a nice beautiful glow onto the face. Wow, that highlighter has definitely made my skin so nice and juicy. Absolutely love it. Now moving on to the lips, they use the Pillow Talk lip liner, which is supposed to be like a mauve toned color, and also they've used a nude pink shade. So for my lip liner, I'm going to be taking the PAC lip pencil in the shade Coffee. Now this is not completely a mauve tone color, but it has a mixture of brown and pink. So I'm just going to line my lips using this first. And next for my lipstick, I'm going to be using the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick, and it's in the shade Rosy Sunday. This is a very pretty like a mauve pink shade, and I'm just going to apply that. So this color, it straight off looks like pink. So next for my lipstick, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Mega Last in the shade Mochalicious. I think this looks a little more closer to the shade that the model has. So now for the final step, which is the blush, they have taken a mixture of, like a darker blush, like a dark pink and light pink blush. I'm going to be taking these two blushes from Maybelline Fit Me. So I have the shades Wine and Rose. I'm just going to mix both of them and apply on my cheeks. So yeah, that completes my makeup look, and this is how it looks. I have tried to match the outfit and jewelry as much as possible so that the entire look looks similar. And I also would like to hear your guys' opinions in the comment section about the look, if I did justice to the look or not. And also guys, I think this entire look is so versatile. Like you can definitely recreate this look on so many different outfits. And also to just show you guys how versatile this makeup look is, I'm going to accessorize myself with different jewelry so you can see how well it goes with every single thing. So for that, I'll be using some bling bag jewelry. This is how the packaging looks like. I absolutely love the packaging. And I have 4 stunning earrings. These are all the festive collection. So this is the Mustard Ajaya Chand Balis, and this is how it looks like. It is such a stunning, like look at the color, the kundan work, the pearl danglings right over here. Everything looks so nice and classy. And even though these earrings are so big, it's so comfortable. This earring also comes with this like a back holder or a stopper, which just makes your earrings feel very comfortable and very secure. Now especially with big earrings like this, I always used to struggle with them like pulling or tugging my ears, and still feels very comfortable at the same time, looks amazing. You can absolutely rock these earrings for many hours. It doesn't like tug or pull your ears. Okay, so next I have this pair. This is the Emerald Rudra Jhumkas. Oh my god, it just looks so nice and elegant. Jhumkas like this is such a must have in everybody's collection. It it goes well with so many different outfits. So this is that one piece that everyone should and must own because of how versatile it is. And even coming to the size, it is the perfect size. It's not too big nor it's too small. Again, I absolutely love it. The quality is top notch, and even the shade, this particular green color, it just makes any outfit look very rich. Next I have this really cute and pretty oxidized jhumkas. They're so nice and tiny. If you're someone who loves really small, dainty or tiny pieces, then this is something that you can definitely check out. This is called as Iditri oxidized jhumkis, and it looks so nice and pretty. The detailing of this is so good. And this pair of earrings goes really well with kurtis, or on the days when you don't want to wear too heavy jhumkas or anything. This still adds that statement to your outfit, but at the same time it's really nice and dainty as well. Again, so comfortable and cute. And that's for my third pair. So moving on to my last pair of earrings, I have this coral mogra dangler earrings. Again, this pair of earring is so different, it's so unique. I don't have anything like this in my collection. It's definitely a very unique piece, and I really like the intricate work on this pair of earrings, and the quality of the pearls and stones, like everything is top notch, you guys. It's so good. Color is also so different and unique, something which you wouldn't find that easily anywhere. And I think these earrings look really pretty with this entire outfit, the look and everything. Now coming to Bling Bag. Bling Bag is an online jewelry brand which offers premium quality jewelry with some affordable prices. They have so many different like Bollywood designs, ethnic wear to western wear. Bling Bag is that one stop destination for all of your jewelry needs. So definitely check out Bling Bag. They have 50 plus color options to choose from. All the jewelry is lightweight and affordable, and also Bling Bag does offer worldwide shipping along with all kinds of transfer modes, and even cash on delivery option is available too. And also for all of my viewers, you can use coupon code SHAMVI10 to get 10% off of your purchase. I'm going to mention all of the links down in my description box, and don't forget to check them out. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll catch you again next time with another interesting video. Until then, you all know the drill. Keep slaying. Bye guys.